the bigger family. It makes you what? Healthy. Utajua doing. Did you hear the word doing?
The reason why that certificate may be very important is to secure your family, to secure your wife, and to secure your children. So if you want peace with your loved one, you had better give them that certificate. Sometimes that certificate means so much to a woman that you will never know what is in her mind. Actually, it settles a woman to have that certificate. So why not just give them so that you remove the nagging?
When calamities strike police officers, and calamities here I mean maybe death, when an officer dies, and when you are getting when you are following your benefits, you find that Your Excellency, you are more than 3 wives, and you as a bona fide wife, you don't have any certificates to prove that you are the wife.